Hello friends, I am Colonel Rajiv Khatri, Indian Army, an alumnus of Badge 9, year 2016-18 from IHMR Delhi. The PGDM course at IHMR Delhi has enabled me with an appropriate knowledge, attitude, skills to enable me to perform as effective leader and manager in healthcare industry. It has made me understand and concepts and techniques of modern management and its application in the healthcare industry and organizations. The specialization fields offered by the institute are hospital management, health IT management. During my study leave, I specialized in hospital management, basically to empower myself for a second innings outside post superannuation. This course curriculum has been very specific, focused, duly aligned with the industry requirements. The USP was that it trained me to launch myself fully armed and equipped with both theoretical and practical aspects alike of modern management techniques. Summer training and dissertation cum internship training was an integral part of the program for practical exposure and hands-on training. The 2 years of course curriculum was dotted with lectures, field visits, case studies, seminars, etc., which enabled us to keep abreast with current happenings in the health sector. With emerging technologies in medical science and discoveries, disease like COVID-19 this year, the health sector is expanding its horizon every day. What this means is that the scope and requirement for graduates of PGDM course from IHMR Delhi are only expected to increase in the future. The institute has one of the best experienced faculty with hands-on exposure to health industry, and their mentoring is par excellence. The institute has a very dedicated and committed placement cell. The placement cell works efficiently and effectively to get every student placed. In my batch, 100% placement was achieved. The salary packages were in line with the industry standards, which with every passing year has seen an increase on the higher side. Top recruiters were Deloitte, ZS, Access Health, Healthcare, At Home, NHM, NHRC, CARE, IQVIA, Max, Fortis, Akash Healthcare, Medanta, and scores of other reputed firms. Any prospective student interested in a career in healthcare industry certainly should join IHMR Delhi to grow professionally and personally with excellent mentorship. The institute offers a wholesome package of learning, building, and transformation into a dynamic and versatile personality. IHMR Delhi is the best when it comes to quality education in healthcare sector, and you have an army man's word for it. I profusely thank my alma mater for empowering me and wish them all the very best. Stay safe, guys. Jai Hind.